Students, here is the problem number 3 of projection of line. Question is, the distance between end projectors of a straight line AB is 35 mm. The end A is 10 mm above the HP and 20 mm in front of VP, while the end B is 45 mm above the HP and 70 mm in front of VP. Draw the projection of line and find the inclination with HP and VP. Also we have to find the true length. Okay, here is the given data. The distance between end projector, it is 35 mm. Point A, the location of point A is given. It is 10 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Means this 10 mm we have to draw above the XY line in VP side, and its notation is A dash. Okay, similarly this 20 mm distance we have to draw below the XY line, and it is we have to mention by A. Okay, this is front view and this is top view. Similarly, for the point B, 45 mm we have to draw above the XY line and 70 mm we have to draw below the XY line. The front view of a point B is B dash and top view of a point B is small b. Okay, as in the problem given, point A is above HP and in front of VP. Similarly, point B is also above the HP and in front of VP. That means both point A and B must lie in first quadrant. So according to first quadrant, we have to solve this problem. Okay, first of all we have to we just discuss what is this end distance between end projector. Okay, so this is our solve problem. Okay, in this problem, this A dash A, this is line, and here we join B dash and B line. Okay, so the distance between these two lines means this distance is your end projector distance. This distance is end projector distance. Okay, so B dash line and A dash line, the distance between these two lines is nothing but your end projector distance, and this distance is given is nothing but 35 mm. In the question is 35 mm. Okay, so start our problem. First of all, draw XY line. This is Y and this is X. Okay, so both point lie in first quadrant. That's why VP is above the XY line and HP is just below the XY line. Okay, so now we have to locate the distance of A dash and A. It is 10 mm above and 20 mm in below. So I am here taking the 10 mm and 20 mm below. Okay, so I am getting the point A dash and A. Okay, when you get this A and A dash, draw one straight line which is parallel to the XY axis. Okay, this is location of A dash and A. Okay, next time the location of B is 45 mm above XY and 70 mm below XY. Okay, so take 45 mm distance from XY axis and draw one straight line which is parallel to XY line. Okay, similarly the 70 mm we have to measure from XY axis. Okay, so draw another straight line which is also parallel to XY line. Okay, so this line is nothing but locus of B dash, and this line is nothing but locus of B. Okay, so now these four data 10, 20, 45 and 70 mm we have used. Now the distance between end projector is given and remaining thing is 35 mm. Okay, so take 35 mm distance from this A dash and A, and draw one straight line and this line when cut to the locus of B dash, it is nothing but your B dash point. Similarly, when this line is cutting to the locus of B, you will get point B. Okay, so join these 2 points A and B. Also join these 2 points. This is your front view and this is your top view. Okay, so now we have to construct the remaining problem by using this given data. Okay, so take radius A dash and B dash now, A dash and B dash in the rounder, and center as a dash. Draw one arc up to locus of A dash up to this point. Okay, so we are moving from this point to this point. Okay, and join this line to the locus of B. So this is your B2 point, and when you join these 2 points, this is your true length and this is your angle phi. Okay, so now take this true length in the rounder. Okay, and from point A dash just cut this line locus of B dash, so you will get B1 dash point. Okay, from point B1 dash draw one straight line up to point or locus of A, you will get point B1. Okay, and taking the radius of A and B1, join these 2 points. From B1 to B2 dash we have moved by curve, then by a straight line downward we get B2 point, and then after here we go downward and then by curve. Okay, so when you join this A dash and B1 dash, you will get this angle theta. Okay, and this is also your true length. Okay, extend this line this line this is 20 mm distance and this is 10 mm distance. Okay, as given in the question, means you have to find out the inclination with HP and VP. Also you have to find out the true length. So just measure this true length. It is equal to 7 centimeter. This true length, it is 70 mm. Okay. Also we have to measure this angle phi and theta. When you measure this angle phi theta, this is 30 degree, and you have to measure this angle phi, this is exactly 45 degree.